Google offers free battery replacements for Pixel 7a affected users. How to check and claim. If you're a proud owner of a Google Pixel 7a and have noticed your battery swelling, we have some great news for you. Google has launched a fantastic replacement program that allows users with affected devices to get their batteries replaced at no cost. This initiative is available in 7 regions, making it easier for many to get their phones back in top shape. So, how do you know if your Pixel 7a qualifies for this free replacement? Look out for some telltale signs: visible swelling, a back cover that seems to be separating, or if your battery is behaving unusually, like draining much faster than it should, even with minimal use. If you spot any of these issues, don't hesitate to take action. The good news is that each Pixel 7a device is eligible for one free battery replacement. But remember, this offer is only valid for units still under warranty. If your phone is out of warranty, you still have options. You can return your device and receive $450, converted to your local currency equivalent, or if you prefer, you can opt for a one-time payment of $200 or a $300 discount for hardware purchases at the Google Store. However, it's important to note that this program does not extend to users in the United States and India. Instead, those in these countries can take advantage of walk-in and mail-in repair options, but unfortunately, they won't be eligible for the discounts mentioned earlier. The replacement program is specifically available for users in Canada, Germany, Japan, Singapore, and the United Kingdom. So, if you're experiencing any battery issues with your Pixel 7a, don't wait. Check your warranty status and take advantage of this opportunity to get your device back to its best performance. Your phone deserves it.